the way for the defending champions. Tomio went straight for goal, and Chingiso had to be careful with his handling. Samson, Shun went for goal. It's a wonderful save by Chingiso, and finally Chingiso is worked into a save. Gibson doing very well to find Tanchok. Tanchok plays the pass to Mung, and Gibson is through here. And Gibson is pushed inside the box by Samson, and it's going to be a spot kick for vareihao. And a yellow card for the number in the last 5 minutes of the first half. Mung from 12 yards out. So much pressure here on Mung. And Mung sends the ship on the wrong way. And vareihao have the lead against the defending champions here. 5 minutes before the break.
Goal for vareihao FC. Scored by jersey number 7. Mung.
Ayat left it for Yerjihan. Yerjihan tried his chance from range. Wasteful in the end from the defender. Shanwei Singh. Long clearance out front. Putting Shang on the chase against Shun Tan. Hong Yam. Totkater. Tangma. Kami with a thumping clearance away. We came here, they have a lot of time still left to play. The biggest throwback for hpfa in the first half has been the inability to get Changma Rakui into the game. He has seen very little of the ball in the first half, and maybe that's one of the main reasons why they have not been able to dominate on the ball. Ayat. Ball falls to Somishan, and Somishan equalizes for the defending champions. What a deflating goal that will be for vareihao. He has seen very little of the ball in the first half, and maybe that's one of the main reasons why they have not been able to dominate on the ball. Ayat. Ball falls to Somishan, and Somishan equalizes for the defending champions. What a deflating goal that will be for vareihao. Samson, the only outfield player apart from Tomio, who is outside the box of vareihao. Tomio gets it in, and it's a goal! William gets it in, and hpfa finally have the lead. And surely that's 3 points for hpfa. What a story! It looks like, but still vareihao showing some interest here. Referee has the whistle to his lips, and he blows the final whistle, much to the jubilation of the hpfa fans and players. If you look at the celebration,